Here everyone's me Melody, so I have a few things in. So I got earring backs for some earrings that I've been making, studs. I have everything linked down below, but compared to my finger, sorry for the glare, this is how big they all are. And then I got another set of the roses. I'll have this link down below. I'm not going to go through all this because I've already been through this before. I'll show you the rest of the stuff once it gets in. So I just received this stuff. These are little female canes. Different colors. They look like peppermints to me. So I got a bunch of them. So I will have this link down below. I'm going to be cutting them thinly and putting them in some earrings. And nail art. Then I ordered this 4-pack of silicone molds. There's some bears compared to my finger. This is how big they all are. And then there's some unicorns, some wings, stars. And then this one has hearts, paw prints, and little cat mask. And then this one has butterflies. I also ordered this. It's a 4-pack. I've ordered this before, so you can see it more in depth in a past video. But it's filled, as you can see. So I gotta fix that. And here's more in-depth of everything. This is the one that spilled, so I put it all back together. So this is it for my video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Oh, I forgot to add that I got a box of UV resin in. So this box basically is the same thing as this. Which I like this stuff a lot. It doesn't cure yellow like my old UV resin stuff. And it doesn't dry fast in the bottle, which I like, so I have more stuff coming in today, which I'm gonna show once it gets here. So I just got in the last package for this haul. These are both supposed to have like 150 in here. It's supposed to be a mix of bears, bows, hearts, just different little pieces. So I got 2 of them for 100, no, they're 150 for each. So this is like 300 together. So I can't wait to go through all this and sort it. So this is everything. This is the last piece for my haul. Thanks for watching. Bye.